Let's start by solving 9 into 9, which gives 81. Then subtract 81 and 9. This gives 72. Again divided by 9 and you get your answer as 8. But this is not the correct way to solve these questions. Let's see how to use BODMAS method correctly. So we always write BODMAS like this, so that we know that division and multiplication have same priority. Also addition and subtraction has same priority. They just need to be solved from left to right if both are given. Similarly, if addition and subtraction are both are given, solve it from left to right. In this case, there are no bracket or exponential. We have multiplication and division. So we solve from left to right. First we will solve multiplication, 9 into 9. This gives 81. Next we solve for division, that means 9 divided by 9, which gives 1. And finally use subtraction, which gives you 80 as your correct answer.